Yeah, so as I was saying before, I had I had pushed this stuff up to my Git repository, and as a result, it shows up in on the website, the GitHub website, and as you can see, there's my file. But this is not the format. I need the raw file. I just need text. I don't need all these buttons and images and things. So I hit the raw button. There. Just plain text. Get the URL for that. Shouldn't have to do it that way much more. Alright, so I need to put this onto my robot. And just place it somewhere. Computercraft has this utility built in called wget. It's not the same as the wget you would see in Linux, but it's fine. It just, you put in the URL and you put the file, the name of the file you wish it to be, and so now let's see if I can just run myGet. Now let's see, myMiner2, I think that's the name of the script, right? myMiner2. So, first just let's just list what we have. I have ominer2. I don't want that to confuse matters. Let me clean stuff up a little bit here. Delete old ominer2. You know what? I am going to rename ominer2 to match, just to see if this works as expected. myMiner2. Yeah, spelling correct. And I'll just try myGet myMiner2. Is it gonna work? Alright, so I renamed the original. That's what I wanted to see it do. I wanted to rename that myMiner2 to old myMiner2, and then it does its own wget, just like I did before, only it's getting myMiner2. Got a new copy. Okay. And now I know we need to edit this file. It's line 723, that's the very bottom. Edit. Or did I? Did I already? Oh, I guess I could have uncommented it already. Should have. Didn't. Oh well, it doesn't matter that much. I'm just gonna scroll through. It's not taking that long. Doesn't take that much time. Yeah, so I'm at that line that I want to uncomment. And yeah, taking out those comment marks. Some of you know already, but I'll just say that by comment, dash dash, that makes everything just a comment, and by comment it means it will not get interpreted by the Lua interpreter. It'll just be ignored. But so if you want to ignore a line of code, it's dash dash. Alright, so let me save and exit. Save and exit. You might ask, some people might ask me, like, why do I bother doing it that way? Why do I edit my code on the regular computer? Why don't I just edit my code in the robot itself? Yeah, I could, but I just don't like, editing files in the computer craft is just not as much fun. I prefer to do the file editing here. I mean, this is intended as a file editor. I mean, as a full-fledged IDE. It's use the best tools that we have. The other thing is, I do not want my code to be in a server, on a server that could go down at any point. Servers are, it's just a single place. These things can get corrupted. You'd have no backup necessarily. If it's somebody else's server, you're depending on their being a good server owner. I frankly don't care that much about being a server owner myself. I just want to do my thing, but I do like to have company on my server sometimes. That's why I have it a server and not just a standalone world. Alright, so my first test, system test, meaning to test wherein I actually run the whole program and see if it will go. I need for this thing to be, I want to uncover this pool. This could be quite a challenge if, you know what, maybe I just won't use this pool. With this redstone in the way, I would need an iron pick. Do I even have an iron pick? No, not on me. I'll just use this close pool right here. And the way I've made this to like get to it. Alright, so let's, well, first of all, I don't even know if I have enough fuel. I'm gonna refuel this guy. Refuel. This is the moment. Almost the moment. Alright. Clear the screen. And I'm gonna just... Oh, I need it. It needs to have a water bucket. Here we go. 1834. Oh, it stopped. Oh, look how far away it is from me. Well, that's inconvenient. Well, you know what? I kind of like this because it gives me something to do. It means that we can see the process of testing. See what happened. Now, to understand it, what happened more fully, hopefully it left a message. Hopefully it's not just stopped with no message. It's going to be very important to see this message. Alright, here we go. Unable to get to it. Movement obstructed. So Abi-2 318. I need to remember that line number. Attempt to index a nil value. Question mark. A nil value. Alright. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. Okay, I will get back to you, and when I have something interesting to look at, I'll record more. Alright? See you later, guys and gals. Thank you again for joining me.